the beat, take it off in my arms is the soul of me. You walk by, as you see me lay face down. Your head by the thorn in your heart.
Oh, fucking hell. It's alright, mate. Okay, that did not end well. Oh, shit. What have I done?
Hey guys, I'm fine. This is just how I'll park my bike.
I'm all good, buddy. Cheers. It's alright, man. Fuck that shit. What's going on YouTube? Oh, she's alive. Somebody give me space. My pegs are fucked though. Everything is fucked. Oh, you fucker.
So there's a small dip on the side of the road here and it follows the curb along. And what I should have done here is just turn right a bit more. Instead I pretty much followed it along, lost traction underneath and then down. I was very fortunate not to collide with that van. Check out the cyclist, he gives me a thumbs up as well. It's brilliant.
Looking back to see where